Hi, this video is really about a special batch which is basically conducted by me, 6th and 100 percentile, mainly for students who are aiming for 100 percentile, for high percentile, to guide you, mentor you, give you feedback on the marks, to tell you what to do to get a higher percentile or to overcome a bottleneck. I've been training students for more than 23 years, so fairly comfortable with the examinations. We have a special batch mentorship dialogue on 1000 course. Now this video is to tell you about a special batch details. Now we'll be taking students based on your past CAT-XAT attempts or your mock scores. Minimum eligibility is that you need to score it is 90% in at least 2 mocks. Then only you can apply or be there in the batch. I mean, higher the better, because if you're scoring less, there's a high chance you will not be able to understand the methods to some extent. Though the methods are simple, techniques are simple, but the key is to be able to cope up, you need to be a little bit fast. Right. What will be covered will be individual mentoring by me, Patrick, to guide you with regards to what to do, how to prepare for the examination. You'll also have individual strategy feedback on your mock. So you write a mock, you need a feedback in terms of what to do, we'll give you feedback on that. Apart from mentoring, the focus also will be to reinforce methods. I mean, if you really want to score high, the methods that are used for scoring 100% is quite different from a normal. So that's what we'll be training you on. The methods to solve con, dialogue, verbal section, all the 3 sections to help you solve questions faster. That's the aim for this particular special batch, to help you reach that 100% time. If you're interested, you can call us on these numbers or you can WhatsApp or email to us and we'll get back to you on the same. Right? Thank you. We'll be putting up more videos that will help you with regards to preparation. If you're interested, you can contact us. Thank you.